Java for Android development, mastering app development with the latest Android SDK. We will explore the essential tools, libraries, and techniques to help you excel in building innovative and user-friendly mobile applications. Introduction to Java for Android development. Java is the primary programming language used for Android app development. It offers a robust and versatile platform for building mobile applications with the latest Android Software Development Kit (SDK). Why choose Java for Android development? Java is a popular choice for Android app development due to its simplicity, flexibility, and scalability. It offers a wide range of tools and libraries that make it easy to develop feature-rich applications with a clean and intuitive user interface (UI). Android UI/UX design and integration. User experience (UX) and user interface (UI) design are crucial aspects of Android app development. Create visually appealing and intuitive interfaces that provide a seamless user experience. Debugging and testing with Android Studio. Use Android Studio's built-in debugging tools to identify and fix errors in your code, as well as run comprehensive tests to validate your app's functionality across different devices and screen sizes. Conclusion: mastering Java for Android development with the latest Android SDK is a rewarding journey that offers endless possibilities for creating innovative and user-friendly mobile applications.